a busy day today, but it's gonna be a very productive day. I'm gonna be cleaning and decluttering my apartment. This is kind of the first like preparing to move video. I've been watching some like moving videos and packing videos and stuff like that, and a lot of people are saying to start decluttering a couple weeks before so that you're not packing things that you don't really want anymore. So I'm gonna be going through every part of my room, figuring out what I don't want anymore and getting rid of it. I'm sure it's gonna feel really good to get all of that done, so I'm very excited. I want to start with some skincare because I want my skin to be feeling very hydrated and fresh throughout the day. I have been loving the brand xoxo recently. If you didn't know, they are a Korean skincare brand and they're cruelty-free. They have this collection called the Black Snail Collagen Collection. The key ingredients are snail mucin, collagen, and black beans. Snail mucin is so good for your skin. It helps protect it from moisture loss and it heals blemishes. The collagen diminishes fine lines and helps firm and lift the skin, and the black beans rejuvenate and nourish the skin. So this is my skin before doing my skincare. You can see it looks pretty dull and dry. So I'm gonna start with the Black Snail Collagen Toner. This toner is to prevent wrinkles and dryness. I'm just kind of patting it into my skin, and it also adds moisture. Now we have the Black Snail Collagen Serum. So this is also for wrinkle care, moisturizing, and protection. It feels so good on my skin. With all of my skincare, I like to just take the excess on my hands and kind of like rub it on my neck, because I feel like your neck is something that can age you a lot if you don't take care of it. So I always try to like make sure to moisturize it and stuff. Now we're gonna move on to the Black Snail Collagen Cream. This stuff is so cool. It's my favorite out of the collection. Here is what it looks like in the jar. It's an all-in-one deep moisturizing cream. So it has this slimy texture. It's so cool, and it absorbs super quickly into the skin, and it's not sticky. You would think it would be, but it's not. And this is suitable for all skin types. It protects your skin barrier and forms a moisture protective film that prevents the damage of skin. Here's what my skin is looking like. Already so much glowier. It gives you that glass skin look. Now I'm gonna throw on some eye cream. This is xoxo's Black Snail Collagen Eye Cream. It's anti-aging, firming, repairing, and lifting. And it also has that really cool slimy texture. I'm just gently putting this on under my eyes, and that is it. So I highly recommend xoxo and their Black Snail Collagen collection. Their products are available on Amazon and on their official website, which I will have linked in the description. So go check them out, and thank you so much to xoxo for sponsoring. Okay, so we are gonna start on the decluttering process. I am actually doing a little bit of cleaning today. I'm doing some laundry. I have some bedding in the dryer, some clothes in the washer, and then I'm gonna put another load in when those are done. The state of my room right now is just a complete mess. I will put a video on the screen of what it looks like right now. It's weird because if you've moved before, you probably know what it's like, where you can't really clean up because some things just don't have a place right now. I've been collecting a bunch of boxes over here so that I can use it when I'm packing, and I've really not enjoyed having that like clutter in my room, but there's really just nothing I can do about it. Kind of accepted the fact that I'm just gonna be living in a kind of messy, cluttered space for the next few weeks until I've kind of like settled into the new place. But we're gonna get started. I am gonna move some clothes to the dryer, put the sheets on my bed, and start decluttering. My bed is made. I also put on Love Island, the new UK season, so I'm excited about that. I'm just gonna be watching that while I clean and stuff. And I think I'm gonna start with under my bed. My bed is from IKEA and it has 2 drawers underneath on this side, so I'm just gonna do the bigger one probably today. I have a ton of tech stuff in here. I have some gift wrap, lots of bags. I have some towels. I have some Sunny Angels that I don't really want. So let's start going through and throwing things out. So I have 2 bags. This one is my donate bag, and there's literally only one thing in here so far, but this one is my recycle bag and it's almost full, so I'm happy about that. We're getting some stuff done. Next, I'm gonna try to do the little drawers in my vanity and then probably my dresser. Okay, so I just went through my vanity, my dresser, and then I went through some stuff under my bed and got together this little bag of either new or gently used PR that I'm gonna let my friends or my family kind of dig through and take whatever. I have more things added to the donate bag, and then I have a recycling bag. I have this laptop case that I don't really use because it's kind of too big, so I asked my sister if she wants it, and if not, I'll either sell it or donate it or find someone else to give it to. I'm kind of stumped on where to go from here just because my room is so messy right now. I'm planning on moving my bed so that it's pushed against this corner once I like officially start packing, since I'll have some more room. But I don't want to like officially start packing yet since I still do have a good like 10 days of living in this room. I can't tell if it's too early or not because I have all next week to pack, and I feel like that should be enough time because that's literally all I'm gonna be doing. And then my parents are also gonna come help. So yeah, I'm kind of stumped on what to do now. I think I'm actually gonna go through my closet. I also have some clothes in the dryer that I need to take out, so I'll probably just do that after I go through my closet. I should have time before they finish, but I just really don't want to do my closet because it is just a huge mess right now. I have just like a ton of stuff in my closet. I have a huge trash bag full of clothes that I want to either sell or donate. That's actually another thing that I need to do in this video, so I'll probably do that today. I don't know, it's just daunting, I feel like, because my closet just has so much stuff in it right now. But let's just get it over with. Okay, so I have my last load of laundry right here and I'm about to put it away, and I just went through a bunch of like little baskets that I had sitting on some drawers in my closet that I have not touched in ages. That's kind of just where I like throw things that I kind of don't have room for. I don't know where to put, like I don't have hangers for it, so that's kind of just my spot for those things, and I should have gone through it ages ago, but I just now went through it. I'm gonna try on all of my shorts because I do not know what still fits me. I'm gonna try those on, see if I am gonna sell or donate them or let friends have them or whatever. Put these clothes away and then try to go through the rest of the drawers in my closet because this is literally just one of them. These are the shorts that I know for a fact fit me and that I'm keeping, which is literally only 2 pairs of denim shorts. So hopefully some of these still fit me. I don't really know. If not, I'll get new ones. No big deal. So I don't know. I still feel kind of overwhelmed and like I need to get rid of more stuff because I found so many jeans sitting in these baskets that I didn't even remember that I had, which is so bad. I don't want to try on literally everything that I own, so we're just gonna start with these shorts, and then after I try on all the shorts, put away the clothes, and go through the rest of the drawers, I need to work on the very back of my closet. So there's some shelves right here behind these clothes that you can't really see because my closet is super narrow, and so I'm gonna go through those. Also, these are the trash bags that I have of clothes to sell and donate and give away, whatever. There's just too much stuff in my room right now and I want it out. Anyways, I feel like half of this video is just me being super overwhelmed. So let's just keep watching Love Island, try not to think about it, and get some stuff done. Okay, I just did some of the shelves in my closet and I feel like I've gotten so much stuff done, which is really good. Almost my whole room has been cleaned out. I kind of didn't do my other nightstand and some stuff under the bed. Like I kind of just lightly went through, didn't do a whole like deep clean out type thing, but pretty much everything in my room has been looked through and I got rid of just a ton of stuff. So this is all the stuff that I'm gonna let my friends look through, donating, trash, also donating, and then this pile I'm about to start working on right now and take pictures of everything to post on Depop. Hi guys, it is the next day. Today what we're gonna work on is just cleaning. I do feel like I got rid of a lot of stuff yesterday. I listed everything on Depop and some things are starting to sell, and then I'm gonna drop off all the stuff that I have ready to donate. So after that, I know I'm gonna feel so much better. But there's not much in the kitchen or the living room, honestly, that I wanna declutter because I just don't have that much stuff out here. It was mostly my room that was like the problem area. So now that that's done, I kind of want to just clean the apartment, have a fresh start, and then after that, I would be all ready to start packing and stuff. So let's get started on some cleaning. Okay, so I honestly did some really light cleaning because I actually just cleaned everything the other day. So nothing's really that dirty right now, especially in my room in terms of like dust and stuff like that. But one thing I can do is the floors. The only thing is there's just too much stuff in my room right now. There's not a lot of floor space, as you can see. So I'm not gonna worry about moving every single thing. I'm just gonna vacuum around what I can. Like I keep saying, things are kind of just gonna have to be messy until I move because I can't put these things away. They just don't have a place here. Like I did actually buy boxes the other day just to get that out of the way. Hopefully that's enough. I actually have no idea how many boxes I am gonna need because I've never moved like this before. You guys know I moved into my dorm and then I moved from my dorm into an apartment. So both of those times that I've moved, I haven't had furniture and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm just gonna do a quick vacuum of the apartment. Okay, so I just vacuumed. Everything is pretty much as clean as it's gonna get for now. And that kind of brings us to the end of this video. I'm sorry this was probably on the shorter side. Things are just getting really hectic now that moving is like so close. And it's hard to film videos when my room looks like this. At least videos that don't have to do with like packing and stuff like that. But I'm just so excited for all the actual moving content to start, not just like the preparing stuff. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I just think it's gonna be so nice to be in a new space. I'm gonna be on my own, which is gonna be so nice. And overall, it's just gonna be a much healthier situation for me. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. I promise it's coming soon. If you stayed up until this point in the video, comment the soap emoji. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.